I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. I've bought some little micro sprinklers here that didn't really come with a lot of information as far as gallons per hour at what pressure. So what we're going to do here is we're going to test it and find out for ourselves. So I've put a gauge on this line, and we've got about 10 psi line pressure, and we have these little sprinklers here. So how I'm going to test it is I am going to use a stopwatch and a measuring cup. So what I do here is I put it inside the measuring cup for 28 seconds. So we're going to let that run for 28 seconds and fill this measuring cup up. And this will tell us how much water we're actually using. So here we go. So in 28 seconds, I have used 17 ounces of water. The reason for the 28 seconds is that ounces of water in 28 seconds is the equivalent of gallons per hour. So at 17 ounces, this tells me I'm getting 17 gallons per hour out of this micro sprinkler in the wide open position. So this is an important piece of information because you want to know how many gallons of water you're giving a tree. You can figure precipitation rates, so on and so forth. So right there is a handy little trick. So now we're testing the half circles that we put here on the ends of the rows to see if they're compatible with the full circle that we put in between the trees. So I am looking at this, and I am getting about 10 gallons an hour. So these full circles are 17 gallons an hour. These are maybe 9-ish, close to 10. And that's close enough for what I'm doing here watering these trees. So we have now tested two kinds of sprinkler. So I have yet another kind of micro sprinkler that I'm using on some smaller trees. So we will go and we will check these. Okay, so this other type of sprayer, we are also there in the 9 or 10 gallons an hour. So this is some information that we can use when we're setting up these micro sprinklers and micro sprayers when we don't actually get the adequate information on the package. We just test them ourselves. Now we know, and we're good to go.